Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera just to save time, and for the whole like latte makeup thing, I'm definitely seeing a lot of like neutral tones, warm tone shadows. So I think today we're gonna do like a brown eyeshadow, and I'm not sure if I want to do like a brown smoky or if I want to do a brown with like some nude in it to lighten it up, but let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to contour my nose, and that's just because I find it easier to blend when I do it like that. So I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place. This has been my best friend, and for warm latte makeup you're definitely gonna need a warm tone contour and bronzer palette. I'm just gonna take, as y'all can see, I dig this one. I have dug her right out, so gonna be using that and a tad bit of the darker one, and I'm just gonna go right here and press that contour in, because once I put on my shadows I don't like to disturb the shadow too much to get into the whole contour, so I like to do this beforehand, and I'm just gonna keep working this in and blending it until I feel satisfied. Eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this magnetic palette from the Icon Cosmetics brand, and I'm going to use this mirror. So I can't even hide the mirror, man, y'all. This mirror is so big, but I'm going to use that chocolate shade, and then the lighter shade. I'm going to mix those two together. Okay, let's move on. I think I want to do the lighter shade. What y'all think? Lighter shade? I think lighter shade. Okay guys, so we decided just to do the dark brown on the outer corner, and then I'm gonna go in with this golden bronzy shade. I may use both of these shades, and then just blend that across my lid. I'm not gonna go in with any structure or any like cut crease or nothing. I just gonna blend it out and see what it's giving. So fingers crossed. Let's see how this is gonna turn out, y'all. It's really pigmented, I know that for sure. Yeah, it's really pigmented. Oh, that's cute. Y'all, you could tell that I'm just like winging it with this eyeshadow. Interesting. Let's blend her out. So the eyes are done. I definitely feel as though the eyes are giving like autumn, sunset, latte type of vibes, and that's surely what I was going for. I don't usually do like an eye look without like a crease or structure, so this like blown out kind of just everything blended situation is new for me, but I'm kind of digging it. So on to the next step. Not to prime is a crime, so you gotta prime. Okay, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. what this is, the matte putty primer, because I've definitely seen the latte makeup girlies been doing like more matte bases, but this is me, so we're gonna put my own little twist on it. I'm using the mattifying primer, I already moisturized and everything, and then I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. This gives you like a dewy foundation basically, and I'm gonna put this dewy foundation from Maybelline over it, and then anyway I can put this on, blend it, and then we can come back because we can do a thing, y'all. We're about to do a thing. Okay, so now that the foundation is on and blended, I'm going to be going in with my concealer. I'm going to be using a very warm caramely type of concealer. This is the Deep Chestnut from e.l.f. I'm gonna put it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and then like on the side here too. And I'm not gonna do overkill with the concealer because I already have one like foundation underneath my eyes. I don't need that much coverage. I just want to brighten this area up some more. And and then on my forehead. I'm gonna brighten that area up as well. And then for our contour, I am going to be doing something that I don't usually do. And y'all, if y'all have been following me from time, you guys know I don't usually use cream contour. But the latte girls have been eating the cream contour up. So, right here, I'm going to put some right here. Right here, and then we're gonna blend this all out. Who is blowing up my phone? Y'all been blowing me up for like hours now. What's tea? Y'all, this look to me with concealer. This contour thing is blending so beautifully into my skin. This contour stick is by Icon Cosmetics, if I didn't mention it earlier, by the way. So for those of you guys that are here in Nassau, Bahamas, or on Family Islands, I mean, we ship to the US as well, so y'all can order online if y'all want to, if you're being real. But yeah, this contour stick is the business. Now I'm just gonna go in and go over the areas with the light concealer, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more of a brighter concealer underneath my eyes, just to like really have that contrast. Okay, so I went in with the brighter concealer, and this is the shade Medium Golden by e.l.f. as well. I think this is their camo concealer, the white top one. And look how much dimension that just adds, y'all. Like, I've been getting into the bright under eyes lately. My friend Carolyn, y'all should know her, she's been on my channel before. She does the bright eyes, and I'd be like, girl, that's so pretty, but I have never been ballsy enough to attempt the bright eye. I'm like, you know what? There's no right and wrong way to do your makeup. Like, makeup is makeup, and it washes off. Like, why not experiment? Why not do something different and, you know, do what you want to do? This is just makeup. It's literally just makeup, guys. So, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know what happened to me, but like, since I kind of was not filming or anything, like, of course, addressing the elephant in the room, y'all know I haven't posted a YouTube video in like a month or a little over a month. Like, being back in front of my camera is kind of weird to me because I got so used to like not talking while doing my makeup. So I'm trying to get back into it because, like, I don't know, it's just been weird. Like, for the most part, I've been focusing on short form content, and it's been doing okay, but I feel like it could be doing better. And that honestly just like such a Debbie Downer on things, because then you don't feel as motivated, you know, because it's like, I doing all this work for what? For what? What's the purpose? So I feel like that's kind of where my headspace has been. Okay, to set my makeup today, I'm going to be using the One Size powder. And y'all, me and this powder have like a love-hate relationship, because when I first started using it, like, I wasn't really feeling it, but I feel like it's grown on me, but only sometimes, if that makes sense. But it's definitely super blurring, and it's doing what it needs to do right now. So let's see. It's like, I feel like with the One Size powder, I be getting like a hit or miss type of vibe, and it's like, I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what it is, because I don't want to say the product is bad, because the product is not bad. It's a good product, but it's just, I don't know, maybe it's me. So So I'm just gonna set all of those areas that we put the like lighter shades on. And I don't think I'm really gonna bake today. I usually bake underneath my eyes and stuff, but I don't think I'm gonna bake. I think I'm gonna use this powder as a brightening powder and just keep pressing it into the skin, as you guys can see me doing. Then we're gonna go on the nose because she needs to be pressed and snatched. Y'all, I don't know what it's translating like on camera, but the powdering, yeah. Okay, so let's bring some warmth back to our face. We're gonna go back in with this Juvia's Place palette. This is deep dark, and I'm gonna actually use the darkest shade this time. I'm gonna use that to set the cream contour that we did. Right, y'all, hold on. This right here is like my little secret. I don't think it's a secret, but it's my secret, so I'm about to tell y'all. I'm gonna use this and set the dark places, right? Don't forget the temple. And you can already see the dimension coming back into my face, and I like to take it like that to like kind of chisel out that like chin area. And then I'm gonna use that brighter shade as more of a bronzer, and I'm gonna put it like right on top. Y'all, look what that does to my face. It just warms me right up, gives me so much dimension. Like, look at this side of my face compared to this side. So yeah, that's what I'm doing, guys. And I'm actually in a rush because I have to go make a run. I'm supposed to pick my friend up from work and she gets off soon, so I'm trying to hurry up, do this, and then go do what I gotta do. Definitely because of the season, because we're doing latte makeup today, I want to go in with some blush, and I think I'm going to use these two blushes. This is an Icon Cosmetics blush palette as well. You guys know most of my kit, if we're being honest, is Icon Cosmetics. I just love the brand, but you could use any blush that's super pigmented that you have in your collection. Once it's pigmented, once it has like a velvet finish, and you have warm tones, as you can see, that's a very warm pink, right? That's the warm pink. And then I'm gonna put that orange right on top of her, guys. And look how pretty when you put that orange blush on. Orange blush is to die for, period. But orange blush on brown skin, listen to me, listen to me. I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix. Y'all know this is a classic. This is the prep and prime to prime my, why y'all dog? to set my face, guys. So I gotta keep my eyes closed, but we're setting, we're drying, and we will be back. So hair is complete, the look is almost done. What y'all think about this hair? How y'all feel? Do y'all remember this? This was a sponsored wig. I'll link the video of this wig in iCard or something like that. But on to the lips. The lips are gonna be the last thing for us today. Lips are usually the last thing that I do. And I'm gonna be using this NYX Butter Gloss. Usually I would do like a matte lip and then put a gloss over it, but these butter glosses are so pigmented. Listen, these are oldie but goodies when it comes to like makeup products, but I personally just got into them. Y'all, why don't you tell me about these butter gloss from a long time? And they're so affordable. This isn't sponsored or anything. I wish NYX sponsor a girl. So I'm gonna use this liner from Icon Cosmetics. If you don't have this specific liner, you can use like Chestnut from MAC. I think NYX has a lot of chestnut tone liners as well. You just need a liner that's like a medium brown, not too deep, not too light. And this one has a red undertone, so that works. It really complements the orange blush. To find the cutest photo. I do overline my lips. I haven't been doing it a lot lately, but it's definitely something that I do, especially my bottom lip. Do you see how pigmented that is? Like, hello? Are you kidding? Like, come on. If this doesn't say latte, if this doesn't say autumn, fall, if this doesn't say September, I don't know what's gonna say that for you. It's giving pumpkin spice. It's giving it's autumn time. It's giving get your scarf and your boots out. Yeah, it's giving everything, guys.
I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Ladies,